Profesora, buenas noches. En este momento voy a exponer lo siguiente. Hello, my name is Lucia Teresa Cordalfaro. Today I want to tell you about a special day in my past, a very important experience in my life. I was on my 10, 2025. That, that was very memorable for me. I remember that I was little nervous, but uh, all calm because sometimes important was shopping. That day I went to a hospital. When I arrived, I saw that there was a big waiting room and there were many people. The place was very clean and clean. And can remember that this place was very modern and organized. Uh, else, Saturday those chairs were blue and very comfortable. I was not alone. My parents were with me and they helped my feet better. Remember that moment was a little stressful, but this some time was calm because I very know inside the hospital. I heard simple social phrases like hello, how are you? Don't don't worry, everything is going to be okay. These phrases were very nice and made me feel relaxed. While I was waiting, uh, I started to think how many people were were here. There were many people. How much time old I was. I waited almost 2 hours. How scary was the situation? It was not very scary, but it was important for me. During that day, I also learned some advice. I think people should stay calm in this situation. That they should listen careful to the doctor and should follow instructions, but they should panic or should worry too much. Thank you.